Hey guys, in today's tutorial I will be showing you how you can remove suggested recommendations on Messenger. These recommendations can be very boring and annoying that you don't want to see. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you what you can do to stop seeing these suggested recommendations. So guys, make sure to follow the video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can be sure that this method will work for you too. So guys, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store and download Messenger if you haven't already. When you have done that, you want to enter the application and log in using your details or create a new account depending if you don't have one. After doing that, we want to enter the application. As you can see here, here is a list of all messages I have. This is the main page that will greet you when you enter the Messenger application. After doing this, you will want to click on your profile picture in the upper left corner next to chats. You want to do this and then you will be able to find the options. As you can see here guys, I am greeted by this page where there are a lot of options that you can scroll down and find what we need. So guys, you want to scroll down and you want to find the phone contacts option. And when finding this option, enter this. Here you will see upload contacts and manage contacts. We want to go into the manage contacts option. Click on the manage contacts option. Here you will want to click on the button you can see down below, the delete all contacts button. And clicking this button, this will delete all the contacts that are connected from your phone to your Messenger application, and will stop giving you suggested on Messenger. When you have done this, you will want to go back and exit the application. In case this wasn't enough, you will want to do the following. You will want to find the Messenger app and hold the Messenger app. After holding that, you will want to click on the app info. Clicking app info will open up this menu of options and you will want to go into the storage and cache option. After this, you want to click on clear cache and then after that you want to clear storage. Don't worry guys, this will not delete your messages. Your messages are perfectly safe in Messenger. This will just enable you to log in again to your Messenger application. You will no longer receive the suggested recommendations when you go to search. So guys, after doing this, you will want to go back to the Messenger application. Next time that you click search, you can see I still have my suggested because I haven't done it, but after doing that you'll start receiving suggested people when you click on search. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful to you and take care.